how can real estate help me quit my job? What you're really trying to substitute is the cash flow that you're getting from your job, right?
Yeah.
I don't think people are getting into real estate because they love houses necessarily. It's more like they want that steady income coming from real estate to substitute or replace the steady income they're getting from a 9 to 5. So in order to understand how real estate could potentially replace your job, you need to first understand the role and the importance of cash flow. So what I want to take you through today is kind of the evolution of investors, the journey of investors, because I feel like this is what so many of us go through as we're learning, how to become real estate investors. Matt loves the graphics in these slides. So the first one, and I think the thing that we all readily recognize, is investing on appreciation, right? This is the buy low, sell high. This is the person who's checking what the latest, condo prices are because they want to know how much their condo is worth right now. And while that's interesting, that doesn't really tell you very much. Buying low, selling high only matters when you're actually executing. And you've learned in earlier sections that real estate pays in more ways than just buy price and sell price. So I think everybody here knows that there's more to it than just appreciation. The next thing is cash flow, and you learned about cash flow today. And most real estate investors learn about cash flow, and they're like, "Oh my God, cash flow is amazing. Cash flow is king. It is the most important thing when I'm real estate investing." The problem is they do it at the detriment of everything else. They're not looking at a lot of the fundamentals we've talked about. They're not looking at tenant profiles. They're not looking at the long-term viability of their business. They see cash flow and they go after that. And unfortunately, most investors learn this and they stop here. This is where they're stuck. They don't start any sort of deeper thinking. And where we really want to get you today is to our enlightened investor here, which is understanding the role of cash flow in long-term buy and hold strategies.